Hey guys, so these are the copras. It's a dried coconuts we're going to sell. Here's my brother. So let me help him. Oh my god, it's so scary. Here we go. Here's the view of our village. Okay, that is the Wi-Fi. And that one, it's the post. Let me just, oh my god. Here's the coconut husk. So we're gonna use this when we are cooking. That's became. Ah, di achad paluto na. Iton.
Kasi ada kumbaga di. Kubangan ada baga ada so. Paluto na pala ada luto na.
Ade madali na.
Ada. Ano sa